How to use Wix to make a portfolio website. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be walking ourselves through all the steps on how you can make a portfolio website using a Wix provider. Okay, an absolutely amazing website creator, and it's one of the most top-notch ones. And working with Wix is really amazing. And trust me, you're not going to regret clicking on this video because I'm going to be explaining the easiest, most simplest steps on how you're going to make a portfolio website. And portfolio websites are really important because they, as it says, are a portfolio and they constitute on what you actually do, what you actually represent. They tell people about you, and it's just really useful for all you, users and marketers out there. So you could be looking for jobs, you could be telling people about the things you do, it could be for freelancing and all these other things. So really important and really, you could say, significant things to do for yourself. So obviously, to get started, you're going to want to make sure that you have a Wix account. Now, once you have a Wix account, you are going to make sure to tell the people at Wix and what kind of website do you want to create. Now, in our case, obviously, we want to create a portfolio website. So to create a portfolio website, what you're going to do, you're going to come to my site, and I'm going to go ahead and click on create new site. And once you click on create new site over here, you're going to get a few questions. What kind of sites, what would you like your site to be called, and all these things, pretty basic things that they ask. So obviously, in my case, I want to create a portfolio website, right? So I'm going to go ahead, write portfolio. Once you write a portfolio website, click on next, and it's going to take you over here. So what would you like to call your websites? I'm just going to call it agency for now. And because obviously you can change the name anytime, so it's not something that's a huge issue. Then once you come here, there's a few things that you are going to want your portfolio website to have. So obviously you're going to want a portfolio, then there's blog, obviously, and then you're also going to make sure to add some forums to get in subscribers, add in chat, make sure to add some things like Instagram feed and all those stuff as well. So Instagram feed is added. And once you've added all those things, you're going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, it's going to bring you here where it's going to say start setting up your actual website. So the building and setting up of your website is also pretty simple. You can begin with a template, or you can just go directly to the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead to begin with a template because I just want to get straight into the creation. So once you go to begin with a template, it's going to bring you here. And in this template section, it's going to give you all these basic templates that you can work with. You also have a collection of the templates. There's new templates, most popular, and all these. Then there's, the basic community and blog templates as well. So in this case, let's go with, if it's a portfolio, I'm gonna go ahead with this one. This one looks pretty good because it has a great design. So I'm gonna go ahead, click on edit. Now, the great design that this has is just pretty much out of this world, and we're gonna talk about it in great depth right now. So I'm just gonna wait for the whole design to load up, and once the whole design has loaded up for me, we're gonna talk about it in great detail. Now, obviously, when it comes to working with Wix, you do need to get familiarized with its basic, drag and drop builder and how, the whole website editor thing actually works. If you use Squarespace or, any other GoDaddy type website editor, then it shouldn't be a huge issue when it comes to using Wix because Wix is relatively is pretty simple to use. It's a basic drag and drop. It has some technicalities to itself, but trust me, when I'm done explaining it to you, it's going to be a piece of cake. So we're just going to wait for this to load up, and once it fully loads up, we're going to get into the furry details. Now, once your website loads up, it's going to give you this box over here where it, actually asks, let AI write your site content. Launch your website faster using AI, answer a few questions to quickly create unique text for your site, and a whole lot more. So you can add details about your site. This is the AI content writer. So obviously you can tell them about your portfolio, which is a pretty good thing to get rid of, the text necessities. So you can tell them, let's say in this portfolio, I am a graphic designer. I have been designing for, you could write, I've been designing for 24 years. I graduated from, you could, name your university or college. I graduated from NCA. Okay. And once you write that, I can use every graphic design software and Illustrator. Software and Illustrator, etc. So you can add these prompts for the AI to, create a whole website full of text for you. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and write create site text. Now this basically starts adding the site texts, and if we scroll down, we're gonna see that it's gonna, load things in. And look at the styling of this site. It's absolutely out of this world, and the things that it has to offer, pretty amazing. Now, when it comes to, adding things into your portfolio, all the elements are pretty necessary to work with. So let's say in this case, if it's a portfolio, you're going to tell people about yourself a bit. So as I said, add in text, and as you're adding in texts, you're also going to showcase what you do. So this is the work that you have. You could showcase different things in your work as well. So let's say this is not the work you do. This is obviously a very good, motion illustrated picture that we have, but you can show different things about it. You don't, it's not compulsory to show this. Now, moving on, what you can do for yourself as well is that you can go ahead with the more, you could say, the more complex designs, which are going to be the things that you're providing or the product that you're actually talking about. Then moving on, there's different things to talk about as well, which is, the textings of your about page. So I'm going to go ahead to my about page from here. Okay. You're going to open up your about page, and here you can see here's your about page. So about us, this is the AI text. So agency is a graphic design company with over 25 years of experience. We specialize in creating stunning visuals for businesses and individuals. Team of experts graduated from NCA and can use any graphic design software or Illustrator to bring your ideas to life. We believe that design is not just about aesthetics, but also about functionality and purpose. We take pride in collaborating with our clients to create designs that not only look great, but also communicate their message effectively. So as you can see, pretty nice text for a professional website. Then moving on, you have your designs throughout the website as well. So yeah, pretty great stuff. Now, once you've gone with this website, and you like it, you're just gonna go ahead and click on publish. And Wix is obviously gonna publish it using the domain that you have on Wix. Now, I currently have the free domain, but you can use any paid domain that you have. I'm gonna click on view site to, actually give you a general output of how the site looks and how the motion design and things work on the site. So as you can see, as I scroll down, it's going to show all those motion designs, and these are all the alleged designs that I have for my website. So pretty great, pretty nice stuff. Now again, you're going to come to about, you're going to see the images including all these things, and just look at the styling, the 3D work, and the motion sensing. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you are going to create a portfolio website using Wix in the easiest way possible. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.